Welcome to the Enable Push Notifications tutorial. AMS Connect is a modern, reliable, and secure application for critical messaging. On your phone screen, tap the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications. Scroll down and tap on AMS Connect. Make sure all notification options are toggled to the right and green, as shown here in number 4. The alert style will default to banners. Select alerts according to your preference. We recommend all 3. Tap the back button on the top left when complete to return to your settings screen. Please note that mobile device settings may override the application notifications. Visit our YouTube channel for additional tutorials.